The moulding pressure system is an interesting option of the IM30 saw. It is used to automatically press the moulding against the support bar during the cut. The moulding pressure automatism is triggered at the right moment. Now let's start from the beginning. In the box you will find the two pressers and the two supports for the clamps to be applied to the saw. First operation. The application to the saw of the two supports on which the two clamps will be inserted. Then we extract the two spiral tubes that were already supplied with the saw. Now we insert the two clamps into their supports. We connect the two clamps to the spiral tubes. To work, the system needs a compressor. A small compressor is sufficient. At this point, the clamps are ready. You will notice the automatism that triggers the clamps only when needed. To press the moulding, the clamps need this addition. Let's try a normal auction. Here too, you will notice that the clamps come into action when the moulding must actually be pressed against the support bar. You will find the option with the IM31 code in Rinaldin catalog and on the website www.rinaldin.com.